Welcome to tec.dloto, Digital Lockout Tagout Management, your go-to solution for safe and efficient maintenance procedures. Lockout, Tagout, LOTO ensures machines are securely shut off during maintenance, preventing accidental startups and safeguarding workers from potential injuries. Tec.dloto simplifies LOTO compliance, ensuring safety, accuracy, and accountability. Every day, thousands of workers enter industrial environments filled with unseen dangers that could result in serious injuries or worse. Schmersol is revolutionizing machine safety with tec.loto, enhancing compliance, reducing errors, and boosting operational efficiency through a comprehensive, paperless process. Traditional LOTO is outdated and prone to errors. Tec.dloto transforms this process, making it faster, safer, and more efficient. Tec.dloto turns safety into a seamless process. The requester scans a QR code to access specific lockout instructions, follows steps, submits evidence, and gets approval. The entire process ensures safety and compliance, eliminating errors and risks. Research shows that human error causes 80 to 90% of workplace safety incidents. Tec.dloto mitigates these risks by providing step-by-step guidance and secure processes, ensuring safer and more reliable work environments. Tec.dloto delivers faster, safer processes, seamless communication, paperless efficiency, and real-time monitoring. With accurate compliance reporting and reduced downtime, it's the ultimate solution for modern safety management. It's time to upgrade your safety practices. Trust tec.dloto for real-time protection and peace of mind. Visit www.tec.nicum.com today to take the first step toward a safer future.